say what's up. Right back here, my grandmother. She's been bedridden, 76 years old. She came out to see me tonight. That makes some noise for my grandmother. That's Grandma Brown back there doing her thing. And this song right here is on my album. My new album is about to drop in August, and y'all check me out, Qui510.com. I got some CDs tonight too. I'm ready. It's good to see my boys, Bays, and Cam, and Chris. I'm just happy. This is my second gig of the day, y'all, so we're gonna continue. We're gonna do this right. You ready? Don't you come out my way. And I want you to recognize that I need you in my life. Trick that you know to see, I've never been a